Good morning, student. Minerals are natural substances of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemicals and physical property. We are blessed with many natural resources in our country. Among that natural resources, mineral resource is one of it. We are abundantly endowed with mineral resources. Mineral resources are usually divided into two categories. One is metallic, another is non-metallic resources. Metallic mineral resources are like iron, copper, gold, whichever metal, and we are using it in our day-to-day life as a metal. So these are some metallic resources, and non-metallic resources are your coal, petroleum, graphite, limestone, and different other minerals are there. We can very broadly classify into three category also: metallic and non-metallic, and our fossil fuels. Fossil fuels usually comes under non-metallic minerals. Minerals are usually found in open mining and or deep trenching mining. Non-metallic minerals are divided into also subdivided into two categories: organic and inorganic. Organic minerals are coal and petroleum. Inorganics are mica, graphite, limestone, like that. So when minerals are divided into two broad category, metallic and non-metallic, among the metallic minerals, one is ferrous minerals, another subcategory is non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous mineral is the first category where iron, manganese goes, and on the second categories your copper, bauxite are going. India has a variety of minerals reserve in its ground. Its mineral resources are a point of jealousy for its neighbor. A considerable important resources are also stored in our country. Our country is ranked very fairly high among the producer of iron, coal, mica and manganese. India has also extensive reserve of chromite, bauxite and limestone. Let us have a discussion about iron ore. Iron ore is one of the most widely distributed minerals found in earth's crust. Let us go back to history. When we study history, that Indus Valley civilization is the first civilization we come to know about India's past civilization, and Indus Valley civilization didn't have knowledge about the use of iron. After that, when other civilization, early Vedic civilization and later Vedic civilization, when the people of later Vedic civilization used to know about the use of iron, then with the help of these iron tools they conquered many lands. India is fairly rich in iron deposit, and some amount of iron is found in practically all parts of the country. India is the largest producer of iron in the Asian continent and is one of the largest iron producing country in the world. The iron ore deposit in India is situated almost all in hilly regions. Moreover, they are found where other important mines are there, like dolomite, limestone, and manganese, which help it to make different industry and with mixing iron they can make different metallurgies. In India, three varieties of iron are found. One is hematite, magnetite, and limonite. Hematite, magnetite, and limonite iron are categorized basing on the iron content present in its ore. Hematite, when the iron content is 60 to 70%, then it is called hematite. It is largely found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Magnetite iron ores are dark brown or blackish in color, and usually 70% of iron contents are found here. It is found in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. As it is having some magnetic property in its iron, it is called magnetite. Limonite is the yellow or light brown in color and contains 35 to 50% of iron. It is usually found in Garhwal, Uttarakhand, and Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh and Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Now let us have a look into uses of iron ore. About 90% of iron ore is used to make steel. Iron is mainly used for making pig iron, sponge iron, and steel. Iron and steel together form the largest manufactured product in the world because it is widely used for making many things, many items. It is used widely in construction of road, railway, appliances, building, machines, tools, automobile industry, and in many more areas. Powder iron is manufacturing used in manufacturing metallurgy, means mixing of different metals and makes a alloy. Radioactive iron is used in medicine. Iron blue, a type of color that is used to make different paints and colors, ink, fertilizers, and different enamel agents. Iron oxide is usually uh, paint the metal surface of iron to make it rust proof, and we can have a evidence of using the gray pot in Indus Valley civilization. That is also a type of paint that is made with the use of iron. This is all about the little bit about use of iron. There is endless list of using of iron in different making different implements or different type of use. Uh, we are not going to discuss all this, but let us have a look into the distribution of iron mines in different states. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. These are the states from where we are having a abundant store of irons in our country. Among all these states, Chhattisgarh comes to the forefront with much more reserve of iron ore. Chhattisgarh in Chhattisgarh, Bailadila and in Dantewada district and Durg are the main areas from where irons are mined, and usually the deposits are supplied to the steel factory in Bhilai. After Chhattisgarh, another state comes, that is your Jharkhand. Jharkhand in Chiria, in Chingbhum district of Jharkhand, we found a very big iron mines. Chingbhum and Palamau are the important districts from where iron ores are mines. After Jharkhand, our state Odisha comes as one of the largest producer of iron ore. The iron are deposited in different places or different districts of Odisha. The most prominent districts are Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Sundargarh, Cuttack, Koraput. All these places are supplying irons to different factories at Asansol, Bokaro, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, and Raurkela. After Odisha, another state is Karnataka. It has a large reserve of magnetite and hematite iron ore. In Karnataka, Babu Budan Hills and Kundremukh are important mining area in Chikmagalur district. Shivamoga, Tumkur district also produce iron in Karnataka. Goa is another important state from where iron ore are also produced, but the iron ore of Goa is of inferior quality of limonite and shedderite variety. Goa has the richer and larger deposit, and it is confined to the North Goa. Bicholim, Shankulim, Netarlim, and Borgadungar are the places from where iron ores are mines. Another important state is Andhra Pradesh. From Andhra Pradesh, Anandpur, Khammam, Nellore, Kudappa, and Kurnool district are prominent in producing iron ore. Iron content in this deposit vary from 55 to 62%. In the Salem and North Arcot, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, and Madurai are the most popular among Tamil Nadu for producing iron ores. In Maharashtra also iron deposited there. In Ratnagiri and Chandrapur district there is iron ore in Maharashtra. These are some of the important states which produce irons. In some other places also there are very negligible amount of iron are there, like Rajasthan and Kerala. But India has the world's largest reserve of iron, approximately 6.6% of world's known reserves. Most of the iron ore of India comes from peninsular India. This is all about our iron and mineral resources. In our next class, we will study about manganese and copper, bauxite, and some other aspect of mineral resources of India. Thank you and have a good day.